Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your ZTFIT smartwatch. First, make sure your ZTFIT smartwatch has a full charge. This ensures an uninterrupted setup. Next, download the official ZTFIT application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone. This crucial step allows your phone to discover and pair with your new smartwatch, setting the stage for a seamless connection. Once the app is installed, open it and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Within the application, look for an option like Add Device or Pair Device. Your ZTFIT smartwatch should appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Tap on it to initiate the pairing. You'll then see a confirmation request on both your phone and the smartwatch. Accept it on both to finalize the connection, typically within a few seconds. After successful pairing, your ZTFIT smartwatch will begin its initial data synchronization with the app. This might take a minute or two. Once synced, dive into the settings. You can customize which app notifications appear on your wrist, ensuring you only get the alerts you want. Explore the watch face gallery to personalize your display, choosing from hundreds of options. Don't forget to set your personal health goals, like a daily step target of 10,000 steps, for a tailored experience. Encountering issues? First, try restarting both your smartphone and your ZTFIT smartwatch. This often resolves minor glitches. Also, double-check that the ZTFIT app has all required permissions enabled on your phone, including location and notification access. For a stable connection, keep your smartwatch and phone within a range of approximately 10 meters. Finally, make it a habit to check for firmware updates within the ZTFIT app. Updates often bring new features and improve performance, keeping your device running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.